Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create magic 8-ball game in MIT App Inventor. So here we go. So click on start new project and my project name is magic ball game. Okay, you will find this ball as a toy in the Amazon or somewhere. We are going to create this ball in our app. Okay, so first we need one ball, exactly, right? So what I will do, I'm going to use here one layout that is vertical arrangement like this, and I'm gonna make this hide and width is fill parent like this. Okay, now I'm gonna use here, click on user interface, I'm gonna use here one image like this, and I'm gonna make this vertical arrangement make to horizontal to the center, and vertical this is also center. Now click on that image and let's select the picture and upload file and choose file. So as you can see a ball.png, I have this ball and just okay. Now I'm gonna make this height and width is like in a pixel to 200. Let's try with 200 how this will look. Okay, great. I'm gonna make this 200 to 150. This will be great. So we can have a space to put the text also. Cool. Now this is done. I'm gonna make this vertical arrangement background color to the white. Okay, like this. Now I'm gonna use here one label like this. Okay, and I'm gonna use here one text to like ask me anything and shake your phone like this. Okay, I'm gonna just change this text to the 20, and this width is, I'm gonna make this is like percentage to 70, and I'm gonna make this text line to the center like this. Done. So this game. Now we need here one sensor. In the left side you would find the sensors option like this. Just accelerometer the sensor, just drag and drop like this. Then is cool. Now let's go to the block, and whenever someone asks anything, okay, then you need to open this app. You just need to ask anything, and we need one list of answers here. So make a list like this, and I'm going to use here one variable this, and you can ask anything, or you can just put here anything like 8 games. So if you want to know what's all these answers, so you can just search here list. Okay, so as you can see here, the answer is like this. My reply is no, ask again later, like this, without a doubt, something. So like just put anything here like this one, then my source say no, this is for 2 for negative. I'm going to use here 2 negative, and you can use here multiple, so I'm going to use here some more 2 positive also. Done. So these my 8 here. Okay, answers. Cool. Now accelerator sensor, as you can see, this is the sensor, and as you can see, whenever someone shake your phone, okay, so what you need to do, you need to just change the answers. Okay, and where I'm going to change answer in this label, so label text here, and I'm going to pick the random answer from the list. So random answer is this one, and where is the list? So list is her name, answers. Okay, answers of this variable name, then get the answer. Done. It's done. Okay, what you can do, you can change the background color also, okay, when someone shake your phone, or you can just make it like simple this. Done. Let me just try this on emulator also. So as you can see here, that's our screen, right? Ask me anything and shake your phone like that. Okay, this is the magic 8-ball game. So let's just shake your phone. Okay, so I'm going to use here this emulator. I'm going to use this method here for virtual sensor, this one. Okay, I'm using here this let me just show you. I'm using this sensor. Oh, this one is also done. This will work. As you can see here, cannot predict now. Okay, let's ask anything like, will I get 1 lakh subscriber this month? See, as you can see, my source say yes. So that's the amazing, right? So I'm gonna get 1 lakh subscriber. Okay, so that's the amazing app. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.